Hi and welcome to Cooking from Scratch. In this video, we'll be making chocolate chip cookies. So to begin, we need 1 stick of butter that's softened and at room temperature, and we're also going to add 1/2 cup of shortening as well as 1.5 cups of packed brown sugar. And we're going to combine this until it's nice and light and fluffy. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla as well as 2 eggs, and then we're going to mix this until it turns nice and pale. Next, we're going to add our dry ingredients. We need 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, as well as a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to stir this in until almost all the flour is combined. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of chocolate chips, as well as a generous cup of oatmeal. I like to crush some in my hands and then leave some whole. Once our chocolate chips and oatmeal is nicely combined in our cookie mixture, I'm going to scoop about 1.5 tablespoon size portions into a ball and then place them on a parchment lined baking sheet. And I'm going to space the cookies about 2 inches apart as they're going to spread a little bit during the baking process. Now for the secret ingredient that makes these chocolate chip cookies really addictive, sprinkle a little kosher or sea salt on top of each cookie just before baking. Table salt doesn't really work as well for this, so be sure to use kosher or sea salt. And then these cookies are going to bake for about 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees. And when you take the cookies out of the oven, you want to let them sit on the baking pan for about 5 minutes just to let them set, and the residual heat from the pan will help to finish the cooking process. Then transfer the cookies over to a wire rack and allow them to cool completely. And here's the finished product, chocolate chip cookies. I'm afraid they actually didn't make it to the cookie jar because everybody in this house ate them before they can get there, and I'm sure they will also be eaten before they can get into your cookie jar too. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.